Looking for the best GPS devices to keep you on track wherever you go? Welcome to our channel, where we upload quality product videos daily to help you choose smarter and buy better. In today's video, we're breaking down the top GPS devices worth your money so you can find the perfect one fast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more daily reviews. Number 1. Garmin Drive 53 and Traffic. The Garmin Drive 53 and Traffic is one of the smallest, most affordable navigation devices you can get for your car. It has a 5-inch touchscreen and comes with 16 gigabytes of internal storage for maps and other data, but you can always add more space via the micro SD card slot if you run out. You pay a little extra over the standard Drive 53 model to get traffic reports, but you might as well use your phone if you don't opt for that feature. It also includes helpful driver alerts, such as warnings for sharp curves, school zones, and speed changes, improving awareness during everyday driving. The Garmin Drive 53 supports trip planning features, including route shaping and useful travel data, making it ideal for both daily commutes and longer road trips. If you want a compact, dependable GPS to leave in your car, the Garmin Drive 53 and Traffic is the way to go. It doesn't cost a lot and has useful features like driver assists, traffic alerts, and spoken turn-by-turn directions. Number 2. Garmin Drive Smart 86. The Garmin Drive Smart 86 has an 8-inch touchscreen that eclipses most phones, providing you with ample space for navigation tasks. It offers live traffic and weather and supports calling via a Bluetooth connection to your phone. In addition, you can use the built-in Garmin Voice Assist to get directions. Like the other mainline Garmin models, this comes with 16 gigabytes of storage and includes a micro SD card slot for expansion. It also includes travel-friendly features like a U.S. National Parks directory, TripAdvisor ratings, notable places via the history database, and millions of points of interest from Foursquare. The device has built-in Wi-Fi for easy map and software updates without needing a computer, and it comes with a vehicle suction mount, traffic receiver power cable, USB cable, and a dual USB charger for extra device charging while driving. If you want to see maps and directions on one of the biggest screens available, the Garmin Drive Smart 86 is the GPS to buy. Number 3. Garmin Zumo XT2. The Garmin Zumo XT2 provides a 6-inch screen for navigating on your motorcycle. It goes beyond the pavement with off-road maps, satellite imagery, and a track recorder for saving and sharing your routes. An IPX7 rating ensures the device is safe from rain, while 32 gigabytes of internal memory and a micro SD card slot cover your storage needs. It also supports satellite imagery to provide vivid overhead views of the route, improving trail awareness and route planning. For riders who want even more advanced mapping, it is compatible with Outdoor Maps Plus, subscription required. The Tread 2 is also designed to work with connected features like smart notifications and weather updates through Garmin's mobile app, making it a strong navigation companion for longer trips and remote adventures where dependable guidance matters most. Whether alone or with friends, the Zumo XT2 has an impressive range of navigation features. Number 4. Garmin DriveCam 76. With a 7-inch screen for navigation and a built-in 1080p dashcam, the Garmin DriveCam 76 serves several purposes. It can help you avoid traffic on the way to your destination, as well as record footage of incidents on the road. Voice support makes using it easy, while smartphone notifications allow you to monitor communications while you keep an eye on the road. You get 16 gigabytes of on-device storage, but might want to add a micro SD card for recordings. With built-in Bluetooth, it can pair with a compatible smartphone for hands-free calling, making driving safer and more convenient. When connected with the Garmin Drive app, it can provide helpful live information such as traffic conditions, weather updates, fuel prices, and smart notifications. The DriveSmart 76 also delivers driver alerts for things like speed changes, sharp curves, school zones, and other road conditions to improve awareness during daily commutes or long-distance travel. 76. If you don't want to pay for both a dashcam and a GPS, this combo device should suit your needs. The screen is large enough to view comfortably and offers all the features of the DriveSmart 86.